It's time for another unboxing video. I'm quite thankful to Tolu Noah for telling me about this one. It is a card game designed to help us reflect on issues related to artificial intelligence. It comes from Carter Moulton, and he has the Analog Inspiration. See what he did there? The AI Analog Inspiration AI card deck to inspire human-centered teaching and learning in the age of artificial intelligence. And so here we go. It came to me pretty quick. He just printed initially a limited run of 100 decks. So if you missed out on this one, he's got a mailing list that you can sign up and discover more on. Each card in this 48 card deck offers a human value, which might sound familiar to you since I've built the Go Somewhere card decks to also have some human values in them. They also might contain a concern or a skill paired with one or two practical ideas for integrating AI to center that concept in your classroom. Some cards are instructor facing, others are student facing, and we can use this card deck, he tells us, as a starting point to launch further experimentation. And I'm reading from his description, by the way: build new connections with our students and foster meaningful conversations with other humans in your community. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the first of 4 decks that we ordered. Analog Inspiration, Inspiring Human Learning in the Age of Generative Artificial Intelligence. And my kids like to tease me that my fingernails are sharp as knives and I can cut into anything. And they're not wrong. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up and take a look at the deck. Oh yeah, got it. So trusty fingernails again. Ooh, we don't want to bend the cards. All right, let's get this. Ooh, that was very satisfying. How to use the cards. 1 player, 2 to 6 players, which he says is preferred. Get together with folks in your teaching and learning community, shuffle the deck, pick a card, and discuss the selected concept. How else could I bring this value into my course? How might I center it more deeply in my design, my practice, and my relationships with students? How might we work together to build something new for and with our students? These are wonderful. So the front side is all the same. Beautiful, that beautiful green color. And then I'll just share a couple of one. Oh, one that totally just caught my eye is one on critical thinking. Pose a thought-provoking, open-minded question from your lesson. Give students a few minutes to write down their initial thoughts. Then have them ask the same question to AI and compare the responses. Invite students to pair up and discuss their human and AI responses. Debrief as a class to highlight student insights and gaps in AI's logic, reframing AI not as an answer machine, but as a collaborator with ideas, insights, errors, and limitations. Oh, I keep like not even getting very far in the deck because I'm already seeing another one that's popping out to me, and that is curiosity. Choose a topic you're about to teach and ask AI, what are 5 wild, surprising, or little-known questions that will spark curiosity around this topic? Pick one and use it to open up your next class session. Again, thanks to Tolu Noah for telling me about this deck, and I can't wait to experiment with it with colleagues. Thanks for watching.